boys, welcome back to the channel. And it is Wednesday evening, and I just off from the office and I'm going to home. And today I'm with a new episode, and I'm going to make an app if you don't know, and I'll be sharing how I'm going to make my app. So in the past week, I have been developing a mock app. It is very simple app idea. It is a to-do list, and I didn't do it by my own. I followed a tutorial to get familiarized with iOS and iOS development with Swift, and I use Swift UI. It is a good experience, and so I was able to progress through the app, and I think it is quite easy and easy to understand and do the things. So I'll share my thoughts on my learnings, and but before that I want to show you something I have bought, which is a monitor, and see what I have bought exactly. So I have been in the market for a new monitor ever since my trusty old Dell monitor decided to retire. Finally, I decided to buy this model from Xiaomi. So let's open this up first. I bought 24-inch HD monitor. This was the cheapest 24-inch monitor with the quality build I found. I am currently working on an iOS app, and having a larger screen like this is going to make my life so much easier. Whether it is designing the UI, debugging, or running multiple windows side by side, the A24i model is exactly what I needed to boost my workflow. And at this price point, it's honestly a fantastic option for someone like me who just needs a reliable monitor for everyday work. This monitor comes with a charging brick, which is lightweight, and this is the monitor standing bracket made of aluminium. This feels very durable. Also, they provide one HDMI cable as well. This is the base plate. It is made of metal and it is very rigid. I like the finishing of the plate. Let's unbox the monitor and see it. Here's everything we have got. The monitor itself, a super sleek stand, a power brick with cable and HDMI cable. The setup is really straightforward. You have to set up the stand by screwing these screws. Then the stand clicks into the place, and just in a few minutes you are good to go. So first impressions, it's minimalistic, modern, and feels really well built. So let's power up this and see the colors. Wow, look at this display. The colors are vibrant and the resolution is okay for the price point, and I can already tell this is going to make my coding and designing so much smoother and faster. Okay boys, this is my computer setup now, and you can see I have removed my monitor stand, and instead of that I installed a monitor arm because I need this space below the monitor, and I can put this computer under the monitor. And this is the complete setup, and this keyboard is for my desktop PC, and I can switch in between this one and MacBook very easily, like this, very fast. And yeah, this is the setup, and yeah, this is my light. I bought it from Small Rig, and it is very good one. I already showed that light to you guys in my previous video. If you haven't checked out that, you can check that. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, so throughout the past week, I have been investing my valuable time on get familiarizing with Swift for developing iOS applications. For that, I decided to get hands-on experience to learn things straightforward. So I wanted to create a small sample lab. Later I found a great tutorial from iOS Academy on making a to-do list. The highlight of this tutorial video is it created along with DB and authentication. That tutorial used Firebase Auth for authentication and Firebase Firestore as database. If you don't know what authentication is, it is simply handling login, logout and identifying the user. This video covers login, logout and basic CRUD operations as well. If you are not heard what is CRUD before, CRUD is basic operations we can do in an app, which stand for create, read, update and delete. Also, it gave me a good understanding of Xcode interface and emulator that is used to test the app. Overall, it was a great experience and I'll show you the final outcome. Emulator is now turned on and I'll show you the emulator, and this is it. This has two main views: login view, logout view, home view and profile, and I can simply log out by clicking here. And before that I'll add some item here. I can select I can mark this item is done, and I will click this and select like let's type go to gym. Yeah, go to gym, and I'm going to go gym tomorrow, and I take the time, and the time is, let's say, 8:30 p.m. and click save, and yeah, it is there. Also, you can see this value have been updated in here as well. This is my user ID, and it has, sorry, this is my user. It is under users table, and under the users table I can see to-do list, and I will go to that collection, and under that collection I can see two items, which is go to gym and other one is go to hello some other garbage thing. Okay, I'll do side by side. So I make this untick, and you can see this move to false, and if I move this one to done, and the other one is updated also to true, and if I make untick, it will instantly update it. So if I remove this one, so if I want to remove this one, I click delete. Damn, it is not there. So this is that easy, and I have learned a lot of things by following this tutorial, and I think it's a good kickstart for me, and I thoroughly suggest you to go through that or any other tutorial series, and in order to get familiarized this one and make your own thing. So my next thing is I'm going to create a very simple project by my own, and I still haven't decided what I'm going to make, but you guys can suggest me an app, very simple dummy app to make, and I will do that. So leave your app idea, very simple app idea, in the comment section, and I'll do it in the next video, and I'll show you my experience with guys. So I'll see you in next Sunday evening. Bye.